You ever step inside something small and instantly feel like it was designed just for you? Yeah, that's exactly the feeling you get the moment you walk into the Hymer B674 SL. Welcome back to Mansion on Wheels, the place where luxury travel meets real-world lifestyle, and where smart travelers hit subscribe because they know this channel brings the most cinematic motorhome reviews every single week. Now picture this. You wake up inside a compact RV that somehow feels like a full luxury apartment. Soft sunlight slides across the interior. The space feels warm. The air smells like clean wood and quiet comfort. And then you step into a shower so unexpectedly large that for a second you forget you're in a small motorhome altogether. That's the magic of the Hymer B674 SL. A small luxury RV hiding full-time living features that feel way bigger than its size suggests. Let's step outside for a second. At first glance, the Hymer B674 SL looks modern, clean, and almost deceptively minimalistic. Built on the iconic Fiat Ducato chassis, it carries that signature European motorhome presence, sleek lines, soft edges, and a premium two-tone finish that makes the whole rig look more expensive than it is. It's just under 7.2 meters long, making it perfect for travelers who want maneuverability without giving up the comforts of a full home on wheels. It's designed for tight European streets, city slipping, and long-distance cruising. And the exterior storage? Surprisingly huge. The rear garage is big enough for e-bikes, chairs, a grill, maybe even compact outdoor gear. Plus, Hymer hides insulated compartments, smart storage lockers, and seamless service points all around the outside. Compact, yes, but definitely not small in presence. Step inside, and the illusion of small RV living disappears instantly. Warm LED lighting fills the cabin. Panoramic windows brighten the lounge, and the materials feel premium without shouting for attention. The L-shaped dinette is sturdy, spacious, and perfect for meals, laptop work, or relaxing with friends. The fabrics are high-end European quality. The cabinetry is soft-touch and scratch-resistant. It really gives the sense of a tiny luxury condo rolling on wheels. Above the cab, you get a full drop-down bed. Electric, smooth, and surprisingly spacious. Hymer beds are always nicer than expected. Supportive mattresses, real comfort, and designed for full-time sleeping, not just weekend getaways. It's ideal for couples or for allowing guests to stay over without compromising on space. Move into the kitchen and you'll find one of the strongest points of Hymer design. With a dual burner or optional 3-burner stove, a deep stainless steel sink, a generous fridge freezer, mineral countertops, soft close drawers, and high-mounted cabinets, this kitchen doesn't feel like an RV kitchen, it feels home-grade. Lighting is warm and intentional, giving you that hotel suite ambiance even when you're cooking something simple. The rear bedroom features twin beds with thick, comfortable mattresses. They can stay separate for easy access or convert into a giant king bed, depending on your travel style. Storage is everywhere. Overhead cabinets, side wardrobes, underbed compartments. All soft close, all premium. USB ports, reading lights, hidden shelves. Hymer makes small spaces feel luxurious and livable. Now, the main attraction. The reason this RV gets so much attention. The shower. This thing is surprisingly big. Like shockingly big for a 7-meter motorhome. You get full standing height, good pressure, warm air vents for winter showers, anti-slip floors, and real cabin-style doors. This isn't the usual stand still and hope the walls don't touch you type of RV shower. No, you can actually move around in this one. Hymer separates the shower and toilet, giving you a full residential experience inside what's technically a small RV. For full-time living, this shower alone is a lifestyle upgrade. But Hymer has even more tricks hidden inside this model. Beneath the floor lies a fully insulated double-floor heating system, keeping the cabin warm. keeping your feet comfortable and creating a massive hidden storage zone for batteries, equipment, or gear. All tanks are winterized, insulated, and designed to operate even in freezing temperatures. Storage compartments are hidden in walls, under seating, above the cab, everywhere. Lighting zones are adjustable, with warm mood settings. There are options for lithium batteries, inverters, and solar systems for off-grid living. The insulation is so good that road noise practically disappears. And nearly everything, cabinets, drawers, partitions, uses Hymer's signature soft-close system for a quiet, premium feel. As for performance, the B674 SL is powered by a Fiat Ducato diesel engine, usually between 140 and 180 horsepower, depending on model year. The optional 9-speed automatic transmission is silky, smooth, making long drives feel effortless. Despite being a luxury full-time motorhome, fuel efficiency averages around 11 to 13 kilometers per liter, depending on terrain and load. Smooth handling, great visibility, and an easy driving profile make this RV a joy to take on long European or American road trips. When it comes to price, the Hymer B674 SL usually sits around 85 to 120,000 euros in the current used market, or roughly $90 to $130,000. Add upgrades, solar, lithium, or high-end upholstery, and you're easily in premium territory. But for what it offers, it's worth every bit. So what makes this model stand out in a crowded field of compact luxury RVs? Simple. It's compact but feels big inside. It has one of the largest, most comfortable bathrooms in its class. It's insulated, winter-ready, and cleverly engineered with hidden storage everywhere. And it delivers true full-time comfort without requiring you to drive a massive Class A rig. If you want the luxury apartment on wheels experience without the oversized footprint, the Hymer B674 SL is that sweet spot. Before we wrap up, I want to know what you think. Would you choose this small luxury RV for full-time traveling? Or do you prefer something larger? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're enjoying these cinematic luxury RV breakdowns, hit that subscribe button for more amazing tours. From Mansion on Wheels, this channel is all about turning motorhome dreams into real-life inspiration, and trust me, the next video is going to be even better. Standing inside the Hymer B674 SL, you realize something powerful. Luxury isn't always about size. Sometimes it's about intelligent design, about comfort that feels natural, and about the freedom to travel without giving up the feeling of home. This small RV delivers that beautifully. A big shower, clever hidden features, and a warm, cozy interior built for real full-time living. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.